want to define them. I want to debunk some of the myths out there on what off market really is. Is that where buyers find all the deals? Is that the holy grail of trying to find a deal out there in this marketplace? So, as you know, my home base is Cleveland, Ohio, Northeast Ohio. And I'm looking at the market right now and I'm seeing 30 to 40 properties, multifamily properties. When I say multifamily, I'm saying 5 units and above. That's going to be the definition of multifamily properties. And looks to me like there's about 30 or 40 deals out there in the, let's say near Cleveland, Akron, Canton market. And that is on market. And I'm going to define on market. It's very simple. On market means that you're going to see this on LoopNet, on Crexy, on CoStar, on the MLS, on the various platforms. It's going to be readily available to see for anybody. It's proactively being marketed either by the owner or by a broker. It's listed. There may be a listing agreement out there somewhere, but it is out there publicly. It is on the market and 30 or 40 deals out there right now. Now I didn't do any of the research to see how many are under contract, how many have sold in the last like 30 or 60 days. But suffice it to say, Cleveland is not the biggest market in the world. So 30 deals is really not a lot. But I think market times are a little bit longer. There is a theory out there that if a property is on the market, especially a commercial property, that it's already gone through the usual suspects, the people that, the real buyers out there already know what it is. They're not looking at that stuff because it's either overpriced or it's, there's a perception that it's already been watered down, so to speak. And there's no deal to be had. Where a deal when it's off market, there might be that perception that, not everybody knows about it. Maybe there's an inside track to try to negotiate directly with the seller on this. And maybe there's an opportunity to get it for a favorable price. Um, Sometimes I think that's the case.